Issue the tones already. God. Slowpoke.
The following is what are we doing again? Okay. I remember now. This is a tornado watch for, let me read the script again, hang on.
You did it wrong. The following is a pedophile watch from the National Weather Service. Please, everyone go indoors to your mummies, and they will protect you.
This message means nothing. You can just forget this important alert and play outside. Tornadoes will more than likely miss you, and hit your friend's house instead. So, don't worry.
We are probably the best alert relaying team in the world. We issue bulletins in a timely fashion, and everything we say is true. That's if I'm not sitting on the toilet.
These guys are idiots. They have no idea what they are doing. You could get better information on this tornado watch from your math teacher.
This concludes this weather bulletin. Stay tuned for the latest updates, and be prepared to take action in case of an imminent tornado.